So first things first, one of the questions that I'm going to answer is, what exactly is ChatGPT? For those of you that are watching this video right now that have never heard of it, or maybe you've heard of it, but you don't fully understand how it works. Well, the simplest definition I have for it is that it's an AI bot that you're going to be able to sign up to for completely free, and you're going to be able to have a one-to-one conversation with it. And you can ask it a basic thing, and you can also ask it to do a really advanced thing. So whether you're looking to use it for general research, or maybe you're looking to use it for it to complete a specific project for you, there's so many different applications that you can use it for. But it is very important for you to be aware of the fact that everything is going to be in text. It's not going to be in images or videos. It's going to be a one-to-one conversation, and it's only going to be able to give you text information back. Okay, so now that you're aware of all of that, the next thing that you need to be aware of is the sign-up process. Now, there's so many different ways that you can get to the sign-up page, but I'm going to start off on Google and I'm going to type in OpenAI, just like that, and I'm going to click on enter. Then what you need to do is click on this link over here that says introducing ChatGPT. Then click on this link over here. Then come over here to sign up and just click on this. Now, a couple things that you need to know when it comes to creating an account is that you need a valid email address and you also need a valid phone number. So I personally haven't created an account in the past couple weeks or so because I've already created one using my phone number, so I'm not actually able to show you that side of things. But again, all you need is an email address and a phone number, and you should be able to create your account for free. And once you have created your account and you've confirmed everything and you've logged in, this is a similar page to what you're going to see. Now, the reason why it says plus here is because I've opted in for the paid option for ChatGPT, and this isn't necessary for everyone. The only reason why I got it is because when it comes to the main difference between the paid version and the free version is that when there's high capacity and there's so many people logged into ChatGPT, I'm still going to be able to access it and do what I need to do. There's no real difference when it comes to the speed of response or the quality of the responses that I get. The only difference that I've noticed over the past month or so that I've been using the Plus account is that I'm able to get priority access when there's a lot of people trying to sign in. But in terms of the actual interface, the key things that you need to be aware of is the sidebar over here. So you're not able to see all of my previous chats, but this is where all of your previous chats are going to be stored. The reason why I blocked it out is because I actually use it for all of my different online businesses. And you're also going to see this section at the top here that says new chat. So if I click on one of my previous chats, as you can see, it's going to be able to show it to me. And this is a script that I was working on for one of my faceless YouTube videos. But if I go back to this option here that says new chat, it's going to allow me to now start a brand new conversation. The next part of this interface that I want to show you is this section over here that says model. Now, the one that I tend to leave it on is the default one, which is the GPT 3.5. You've also got the option to use GPT 4 or legacy GPT 3.5. And to be very honest with you, I've never really used these two other options here. I think I tried to use one of them one time, but it was really slow. So ever since then, I've just kept it on the default option. And one of the final things that I want to show you on this page is the actual text box where you're going to be able to type in whatever you want to type in. And this actually now brings me on to one of the next things that I've personally learned over the past couple months, ever since I started using this particular AI bot, which is the word prompts. And what a prompt is basically a question that you're going to ask ChatGPT for it to give you whatever answer you're looking to get back. But it's very important to make sure that your prompts are clear and concise, straight to the point. You don't write anything that could potentially confuse it. You try and give it all the information it needs in the prompt so that it's going to be able to give you whatever answer you're looking for. And to show you exactly what I mean when I say you need to be specific when it comes to the prompts that you're entering in, I'm going to type in something like, can you write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video that is about investing for beginners? And right here, as you can see, it's gone straight to work to give me the script that I can now use in any way that I want to. But when I say that you need to be clear and concise when it comes to entering a specific prompt, as you can see, it hasn't given me any timestamps of exactly when to say what I need to say. So if I did want to be a little bit more specific with this prompt, I may want to ask it something like, can you write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video that is about investing for beginners and provide timestamps for each sentence? And then click on enter again. And just like that, it's rewritten the entire script, letting me know exactly when I need to say what second, what minute, everything that needs to be said, which kind of makes my job a little bit more easier. And the main point that I'm trying to make of all of this is that whatever answer you get back from ChatGPT in whatever way you're looking to use it, it's all going to stem from the questions that you enter into this box over here. Now, one important thing that I want to share with you guys is when it comes to all of these different conversations that you're having, it's very important to understand exactly how it works. So if we take a look at this specific chat that we have right now, where I asked it to write a 5-minute YouTube video script for this particular video, I'm going to be able to amend it in any way that I want to. So let's say if I wanted to turn this into a 10-minute video, all I need to do is ask it, can you make this a script for a 10-minute video instead? And then click on enter. And right there, as you can see, it's now able to turn it from a 5-minute script to a 10-minute script. And if I want to turn it into a 20-minute script, 30-minute script, I'm going to be able to ask it unlimited questions and it's going to be able to do it for me. And another thing that you guys need to know about all of these different chats that you're having is that it's going to be able to remember the key things that you asked it, so that when you now ask it for another thing, it's going to remember the type of style that you might want. But it's only going to be able to do this within the specific conversation. It's not going to be able to remember what you asked maybe last week or in the last 7 days. It's only going to remember within the specific convo that you're having with it, which kind of makes your job a little bit more easier, because once you ask it to do it in a specific style, for example, let's say if I wanted the script to be done in first person, I'm not going to have to continuously keep reminding it, even if this conversation goes on for the next 2 days, 3 days. It's going to be able to 99% of the time remember that I want it done in a particular way. So when it comes to the ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money online, there's so many options out there, but right here in front of me, I've broken down the 6 main ways, or the 6 different methods that I normally recommend to beginners. For example, using it to start a YouTube channel or a faceless channel or an automated channel. It doesn't really matter, but you're going to be able to use ChatGPT when it comes to writing the video script. And you can also use it when it comes to writing the YouTube descriptions, giving you SEO tips when it comes to getting your video ranked higher in the search results. There's so many different ways that you can use it with this particular method of making money online, as well as using it when it comes to earning a source of income with affiliate marketing. For example, if you're looking to start an email newsletter, you can use ChatGPT to give you email ideas, and you can also use it when it comes to writing the actual emails for you. And within those emails, you can put various different affiliate links, and you can also sell your own products or services. So this is definitely a decent online business model that you can use with the help of ChatGPT, as well as using it with YouTube ads. Now, there's so many different affiliate marketers that are out there that are making money by promoting products from websites like ClickBank and Digistore24, etc., etc. And the way that they can use ChatGPT to assist them when it comes to using YouTube ads is the creation of the video. So similar to creating a YouTube video, you can also use ChatGPT when it comes to coming up with the script for a YouTube video ad. And this is also a similar thing when it comes to trying to make money with short form content, for example, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Because what you can do is log into your ChatGPT account and ask it to create a script for a video that's under 1 minute long. Then what you can do is copy that, go over to a video editing software like InVideo, and I've got a discounted link for them in my description down below. And then from there, you're going to be able to create unlimited amount of shorts that you're now going to be able to publish on all of these different platforms. And one of the final ways that you can use it to make money online is with a blog website. So not only can you use it when it comes to writing the actual article, and of course you're going to need to change things up because Google doesn't really like it when you use AI written content, but you can also use it with the actual creation of the website. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I've just started a new chat and I'm going to ask it to give me 10 profitable ideas for a new blog website, and then I'm going to click on enter. And from all of these different ideas, I can pick one. Now, in this case, I'm going to ask it to give me a little bit more information on personal finance. So I can then say, give me 10 business name ideas for a blog website that will be about personal finance, and then click on enter. All right, perfect. So I've now got these 10 different names that I can choose from. And of course, I'm going to need to make sure that no one else is using them, that the domain is available and things like that. But for the purposes of today's video, let's assume that I want to use this one over here, which is called Smart Savings Blog. What I can then do is ask ChatGPT to give me a short description of what the website is going to be about, and then I can copy that information and go over to another AI builder, which I'm going to show you exactly how you can do in a moment. So let me ask ChatGPT to write a 50 to 100 word description about this website so I can enter it directly into a website builder for them to build it for me. Okay, so I wasn't necessarily specific about which one I wanted to go with, so it just went with this one over here called MoneyWise, but it doesn't really matter. What I can do is just copy this just like that. Then I can head over to Hostinger and click on this option over here where it says try AI website builder, and it's going to be a simple case of me pasting the description of the website right there, and also selecting the website type, which is going to be blog, and of course pasting in the brand name right there, and then click on create a website. And just like that, they were able to build the website in a matter of seconds. And of course, I'm going to be able to go through it and update all of these different images if I don't want to use them, as well as all of the text. But I've now got the first draft of a website that I'm going to be able to build from, all because I was able to utilize the power of ChatGPT as well as Hostinger's AI builder. And if you also wanted to use Hostinger so that you can start the process of building your own website, make sure that you use the link in my description down below, because you're going to be able to get 70% off, and you're also going to be able to get a free domain. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter, where every single week I'm going to send you an email when it comes to educating you on how you can start an online business, whether it's an email about Amazon FBA, dropshipping, selling on eBay, affiliate marketing, wherever the case is, you're going to receive an email from myself personally to help you navigate the complicated world of making money online. So if you want to sign up to that, make sure that you click the first link in my description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently, where I break down another way that you're going to be able to utilize the power of ChatGPT when it comes to making money online, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.